While searching for an idea about my faceless YouTube channel, I came across this channel. For example, this video of this channel has gained 6.3 million views in 2 years, and this video has gained 4.1 million views. And if we talk about the income of this channel, the monthly income of this channel is $6.8 thousand, and the annual income is $81.7 thousand. So we are going to make our faceless YouTube channel exactly like this channel, something about motivational stories. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. If you have ever wondered how to leverage artificial intelligence for script writing, voiceover, video content generation and editing, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through each step of the process using a variety of AI tools to generate ideas, design logos and banners, create video content, edit videos, and more. Let's dive in. The first step in creating faceless YouTube channel is to create a unique and captivating idea. We will use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm and generate ideas that align with the interest and niche. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist in generating creative ideas for your YouTube channel. By engaging in conversation with ChatGPT and providing prompts about your interest and niche, you can get AI-generated ideas to kickstart your channel. Generating a YouTube channel name with the help of AI involves using creative techniques and leveraging the capabilities of language model like ChatGPT. While I can provide you with a step-by-step guide, please note that the generated suggestion may not always align perfectly with your specific preferences. However, this process can still serve as a starting point for brainstorming unique and appealing channel's name. Let's begin. Identify a keyword or a concept related to your channel's focus. For example, if your channel is about gaming, you might choose words like game, play, entertainment, strategy, or the name of the specific game you will cover. For example, we are creating our channel about something motivational stories. So I will write here, suggest me 20 motivational short story YouTube channel name. The AI model will provide a list of channel name suggestions, review them and highlight the ones you find interesting. Choose a name that is easy to remember and pronounce. I will choose Motivational Byte. I already have created my YouTube channel, so I will write the name of my YouTube channel here, Motivational Byte. So our next step is to create logo and banner for our YouTube channel with the help of AI. A visually appealing logo is essential for branding your channel. We will use AI design tool like Canva to create a professional looking logo. Visit the Canva website and sign up for free account. You can also upgrade to paid subscription for additional features and resources. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the Canva dashboard. Click on the create design button and choose whether you want to create logo or banner. For the logo, search for YouTube logo or logo in the search bar. For banner, search for YouTube banner and channel banner. Canva provides numerous templates specifically designed for YouTube logos and banners. Browse through the available options and select a template that resonates with your channel's style and theme. You can customize the text color to match your channel's branding. Click on the next element to edit the channel name, tagline or any other text field. Use the color palette on the left hand side to change the colors of the template elements. To further personalize your logo or banner, you can add images, icons or graphics. Canva offers a wide range of free and premium stock images and illustrations that you can search for and drag into your design. Use the element tab on the left hand side to explore these options. Move, resize and rearrange the various elements of your logo or banner to create visually appealing composition. Click on the element and use the handles to resize it. Drag and drop elements to arrange them as directed. Experiment with different font styles to find the one that suits your channel branding. Canva provides a variety of font options that you can apply to your text element. Adjust the font size, alignment and other typographic settings as needed. Once you are satisfied with your logo or banner, click on the download button located at the top right corner of the Canva interface. Choose your preferred file format, PNG or JPEG, and select the appropriate resolution for optimal quality. Save the file to your device. Now go to your YouTube channel setting, navigate to the customize channel tab and click on the upload button to upload your logo and banner. Make sure to preview how they appear on different devices to ensure they are displayed correctly. Canva offers a user-friendly interface and provides a wide range of design options, allowing you to create professional-looking logos and banners for your YouTube channel. Feel free to explore Canva's feature and experiment with different design elements that make your channel stand out. And a captivating banner help to grab viewers' attention. Now our next step is to create channel description. To generate YouTube channel description with the help of ChatGPT, you can follow these steps. Provide relevant information. Begin by sharing key detail about your channel. This may include your channel's niche or topic, target audience, and any unique aspect or content feature that make your channel stand out. Ask ChatGPT to generate a YouTube channel description for you based on the information provided. Be specific about what you are looking for, such as concise and engaging description that highlights the value of your content and entices the viewers to subscribe. So our next step is to generate a video topic for our channel. So you can see I will write here, give me topics about short motivational stories for my YouTube channel, and you can see ChatGPT has generated a list of ideas. So from these ideas I will choose this motivational story turning failure into success from my video content. So I will copy and paste it here so that we can generate our script for YouTube videos. So you can see I will write here, write short motivational story. ChatGPT has generated short motivational story in a few seconds. So our next step is to generate voiceover. For this we will go to the 11 Lab, visit 11 Labs website and sign up for an account. Follow the registration process and any necessary verification steps. Access the voiceover creation tool. Once you are logged into your 11 Labs account, explore their platform to locate the voiceover creation tools. Look for options related to text to speech or voice synthesis. Enter or upload your text. Depending on the platform's interface, you will typically have the option to either enter the text or you want to convert it into voiceover or upload a text file. Paste your script or upload the file containing the script you want to use for your YouTube video. Choose the voice you prefer for your voiceover. Experiment with different voices until you find one that matches the tone and style you want for your video. Trust these settings to fine-tune the voiceover to your liking. Before finalizing the voiceover, listen to the preview and ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustment to the text voiceover parameters. Once you are satisfied with the preview process, proceed to generate the final voiceover. Download or save the voiceover. Once the voiceover is generated, you will typically have the option to download it as a our voiceover is ready. So it's time to generate our video content. So for this you have to go bluewillow.ai. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the bluewillow.ai website. If you haven't already signed up for an account to access the platform's full range of features, once you are logged in, you will be ready to start generating amazing Blue Willow images. Here we are on bluewillow.ai website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with user interface. You will find various options and customization features that allow you to tailor your Blue Willow design to your liking. First, let's click on the create button to get started with generating an image. Bluewillow.ai utilizes a powerful AI model that can generate images based on prompts. Now let's provide a prompt for our Blue Willow image. Let's provide a prompt for our short motivational story. You can enter a description or few keywords or even specific theme related to your video content. For example, I will copy first paragraph of my short motivational story and paste it here. Once you have entered your prompt, click on the generate button and let Blue Willow work its magic. Sit back and watch as the AI model processes your prompt and generate stunning Blue Willow images. If you are not fully satisfied with the generated images, don't worry. Bluewillow.ai allows you to make adjustment to your prompt and generate new variation of the image. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and explore the diverse possibilities of Blue Willow art. Once you are happy with Blue Willow image, you can choose to download it to your device or share it directly with others through social media or email. And that's it. You have successfully generated stunning images using bluewillow.ai. Now the possibilities are endless. Feel free to experiment with various prompts, themes and keywords to create a collection of unique images. Now our images are ready for our video content. So our next step is to create our video. So I will create my video using InShot editor. You can use any editing app. So we will edit our video in this editing app and add our voiceover. So I have created this video for my YouTube channel.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was an aspiring painter with dreams of showcasing her artwork to the world. Her passion for art was boundless, and she poured her heart and soul into every brushstroke.
It's time to upload them to your YouTube channel. See, we will also generate our thumbnail with the help of Canva, or I will upload my video. So we will write here video topic, which I already have generated with the help of ChatGPT. So for video description, we will go on ChatGPT again, and we will generate our video description and keywords with the help of ChatGPT and copy it and paste it here. Congratulations, you have learned how to create faceless YouTube channel with the help of various AI tools, from generating ideas to designing logos, creating video content, editing and optimizing for search engines. AI tools have made the process efficient and exciting. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your AI powered YouTube channel.